Hello programmers, in this video we are going to make a simple Python program to calculate force, mass, and acceleration. First we will import math module. Now we start to write our code. Now we will give options to user. We will set choice equals integer input. Input is the function to enable user to enter data. Integer defines what type of input should be given. According to input given by user, the respective codes will be executed and result will be shown. It's time to execute the program. It's working correctly. Hope that this video was helpful for you. Subscribe if you like the video.